They're gonna do Muffalo Potato, Moana. So I'm Hannah, this is Zoe, and that's DJ. We love Muffalo Potato because it's for all ages, and we learned how to draw so good. So his channel will be in the link description. So let's go.
Indeed.
So guys, I'm so excited to draw, guys. Aren't you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, we're so excited.
Yeah. I love doing Muffalo Potato because it's so nice. I'm so excited to draw Moana and color it after. Are you excited, girl?
I like to play rainbow colors and pink.
Mostly a lot of fun. So this is that one scene where she's looking up, okay? So we're gonna need a nice round little baby face for her. And that's done with the letter U, sort of a bold out scooping U like that. I'm gonna do it a little bit at an angle. So start with the paper straight, up and down like this. And I'll tilt the paper a little bit to make it easier. How's that? So here's that U. It's gonna be a little bit bigger on the bottom than it is on the top. So just, it's a nice, easy shape. Go down, 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 around, around. Don't be nervous. And bring it back up again.
It's so exciting, guys. I'm ready to draw.
Lowercase n's. Nice and
Yes,
big.
I'm so excited, Zoe. You got the spirit on.
There. And there's one.
Wow, guys, I love
There.
this.
And she's got big, big brown eyes, and that's as easy as 2 zeros, one within the other. So there's one big zero like that, and another one inside it like that.
Guys, it's so fun
Try
and
to make them
easy.
the exact same
Guys,
size.
if you want to see more like this, subscribe and like, and don't forget to share.
That's right, Muffalo. Crooked eyes. There you go. And I'll do another little zero there for a little light shadow. 2 real small, shallow, lowercase n's like that for nostrils. She's got a little teeny nose, just like that. 1, 2. A little teeny C
Wow,
right
guys,
there.
this drawing is so
make
cute.
That shape go there. She's got short hair that she's just growing out. Let's do a big, wide, sweeping S right here that sort of curls. It's a little bit curly, so it's a big, big, big S with a little sweep and curl on the bottom. Lowercase U there. Let's do a bit of a C for an ear and 2 lowercase U's beneath it. That takes care of that side of her, okay? Moving over here, she's got a little pink flower in her hair. That's as easy as 2 number 3s, one on top of the other. Just
I think
like
my one's
that.
the best.
So those are 2 petals
so
here. There's a
adorable.
3 like that, and there's a 3 like that. Later on, we'll color it in pink. It'll look very cute. You can probably do like another little 3 at an angle there for her hair, and 2 lowercase U's here. Now let's get her eyebrows in really quick. Turn the page sideways, and those are going to be 2 thin C's, one on top of the other, just above her eyes.
This
okay?
is looking cool,
So there's
guys.
one C there like that, and there's another C there, just like that. For her hair, let's do a sweeping S again, coming around like this. And we want to do her lips here. So her lower lip is a lowercase d.
Guys, don't forget wait for the end
Tall
results
and
because there'll be a
thin.
lot of color
Right.
and light, guys.
So, turn the page upside down. We just got a couple moves left, and then we're going to start coloring. It'll be a lot of fun. Let's do 2 capital D's, one inside the other. So let's do 1 D here and 1 D right here. There we go. Turn the page straight down. Oh, she's looking adorable. We're getting very, very close, guys. Very close for the rest of her hair. Let's do a little lowercase W, just like that. How you doing, Muffalo?
Baby Moana.
Yeah, she's cute, right?
Adorable.
Adorable, absolutely.
So,
Eyelashes,
guys, we are
couple number
almost to the
11s, real
end.
small. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and she's got little necklaces made up of shells. So that can be a bunch of zeros with 1s in the middle. They'll look like little teeny tiger shells, okay? So we'll do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and do some zeros on the other side. Nice, relaxed knees like that, and just some 1s going down the middle, just like that. Wow, adorable. Muffalo, what do you think?
Adorable.
Absolutely, that's Moana. Ring the bell, everybody.
So guys, here's our drawing. I think we did pretty good very fast. We all like it, so now we're just going to trace it with black marker and some colors. coloring, it took a bit while, but we love our drawings. We just had to do a bit like neat and touch it up a bit. But here's our drawings. Comment down below who do you think the best, Hannah's, Zoe's or DJ's. We really like our drawings. Yeah, so we love you guys, and I would definitely recommend this. We'll do it like so much of times, enjoy and have some fun. And yeah guys, we'll see you later. Bye!